Hello everyone, I am Orko Banerjee. Currently I am pursuing BTech from VIT Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss the reality of placement scenario of VIT Bangalore. CDCs, Career Development Center. Career Development Centers helps in giving us how to give learning and teaching us mock interviews, core skills. Companies which came to our college were TCS, Adobe, PayPal, Amazon, Google, Accenture, Infosys. These were the mainly IT firms which came to our college. And in the ECE, the percentage varies from 85 to 92 percentage of students get placed from the CSC is around 85 to 90 percentage. And in their average student gets placed around 9 to 17 LPA. And the highest package goes every year is almost 27, 28 lakhs per annum package. And if the package is around for the overseas jobs and all, it varies from 40 to 60 LPA every year. And for the company and the companies mainly hire here for the basis of software engineers, software developer engineers, data analysts. These are the roles mainly for which the companies came to our colleges for hiring. And for ECE, the average package is around 8 to 12 LPA. And for the different departments, the companies mainly focus on the CPA of the students, and that must be high, around 8 above for getting placed. Students need at least 75% attendance for sitting in the placements. See, the placement cell of our college is very much vast, and they provide us training, soft skill training, CV formations. They also provide us hackathons and DSA trainings for which the students get trained for getting good options in the placements during the placement scenario skills. And our college also helps in getting internships. Around 60 to 65% students normally take internships from their second sem after completion of the second sems. And international tie-ups are also there of our college. Pre-placement offers are around 80 to 85% of the students take placements directly from the college campus. So to be honest, the placement scenario of our college is definitely good. As the return on investment, every person and every person's family or every student thinks of because before the taking admissions. So almost it's around 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs a person invests in their higher studies and the studies of BTech and MTechs in our colleges. And return on investment is around average package a student gets here around 7 to 8 lakhs. It's an average package, so which is not that bad for a person to get first job and around their package. And that's all I have discussed about the whole placement scenario of our college. Thank you.